Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this light up learning garage from Little People that we got for our toddler. In this video, I am going to show you how this toy works, talk about some of the things that I really like about it, and one thing that I think you should know before buying. This little set comes with the car, the lady, and this mechanic guy. Also these little tools for your kid just to pretend that they're fixing the car. As you can see right here, they have the lower level with a gas pump as well, which is really cool. They have some stuff on the back as well that they can use to play. There's a lot of like ways for your kid to play with this and just use their creativity. On this side right here, there is an elevator that makes a lot of sound, a lot of noises, and my toddler loves it. She keeps pulling it up and down. So yeah, you place the car right here, lift it up, and then it goes to the wash. And then you can move a level right there. It will understand, and then once it's done, well, usually you keep this down. Once it's done, you lift this up, and there it goes. I love that this toy just teaches your kids about colors. You can see right here shapes, numbers too. They have, I think it's 65 plus songs and sounds and like phrases to help your kids development. And yeah, there are so many ways of playing with this. Your toddler, if your toddler likes car like mine does, they're gonna spend a while playing with this toy, which is great. This is definitely bigger than I thought it would be, which is nice. I thought it was gonna be smaller, but I like that this is big and my toddler can just play with it. We just leave it in her play area and she can just play, use she has other little characters from Little People and they fit in here perfectly, which is nice. The one thing you should know before your kid even starts playing with this, the elevator can get a little stuck if they pull up too hard, and then when they try to go down, it will I don't know, just get a little stuck and you have to wiggle it. It didn't happen very often with us. It just happened twice, but it's because my toddler was being a little too crazy. But we haven't had many issues. You can just now, if you do it the correct way, it's gonna work. Just keep an eye on your toddler, and if it gets stuck, it's not broken, you just wiggle it a little bit and work just fine. But anyway, I love this toy. My toddler loves this little wash garage thing. I think this is definitely worth the money, and it's such a great find.